Your English subject now today will do lesson number 1, the boy and the robbers. See, I will read. Look into the reader while I am reading when you are watching the video. In Persia, when Cyrus the Great was king, boys were taught to tell the truth. See, Persia means it is the oldest name or the former name of the country Iran. Now today we call Iran, but in olden days it was called as Persia. In Persia there was a great king by name Cyrus. What was he telling? He used to teach all the boys to tell the truth. To tell the truth. This was one of their first lesson at home and at school. So, children living in Persia were taught to tell the truth. That was the first lesson they learnt from at home and also at school. None but coward will tell falsehood, said the father of young Otanus. This is the name of the boy, Otanus. Understood? His father told his son Otanus that none but a coward. Coward means a person who does not have any courage. So, who is not brave. A person who is not brave, he will tell falsehood. Means he will tell only false things. He will not tell the truth. So, none but a coward will tell a falsehood, said the father. So, the father of young Otanus told that every time you should tell the truth. Because brave persons should tell the truth. Only coward persons will tell falsehood. Falsehood means not truth. Truth is beautiful, always love it, said his mother. So his mother told, the young Otanus' mother told Otanus, truth is beautiful. So Otanus, what he learned from father and mother? Father told that always speak the truth. And mother told that truth is beautiful. Understood? So this was the lesson young Otanus learnt from father and his mother. When Otanus was 12 years old, his parents wished to send him to study in a famous school in a distant city. It would be a long journey and a dangerous one. So, after few years, it means when young Otanus was 12 years old, his parents planned to send him for studies in a distant city because they lived in a village. So they want their son Otanus to study in a distant place, in a city. It would be a long journey. From village, the city was at a long distance and a dangerous one. So it was arranged that the boy should travel with a small company of merchants who were going to the same place. So Otanus' parents, they decided to send Otanus to the city for studies when he was 12 years old. But they don't want him to send alone because the city was very far away from their village. So what they did, they planned to send him with some small company of merchants. Because merchants, what they do, they travel from one place to another for their business purpose. So, they want to send Otanus along with these merchants. Goodbye, Otanus, be always brave and truthful, said his father. So, while Otanus was going to city, his father told that always be brave and truthful. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳು ಮತ್ತು ಧೈರ್ಯವಂತನಾಗಿರು. Be always brave and truthful. The father blessed Otanus with be always brave and truthful. Farewell, my child, love that which is beautiful. Despise that which is base said his mother. Mother also wished him good luck. Okay, bye, my child. Study well and always speak the truth and always be brave. Like this, she blessed his son, Otanus. The little company began its long journey. Some of the men rode on camels, some on horses. They went but slowly, for the sun was hot and the way was rough. See, in the picture you can see, in olden days there were no vehicles, trains, buses. In olden days there were no vehicles. People used to travel by animals. They used camels, horses. Understood? They used to travel by these animals. So the journey was long journey, and when they were traveling by camels and horses, on the way daytime, the sun was very hot. Understood? The sun was very hot. Suddenly, towards evening, a band of robbers swooped down upon them. When they were going on their journey, suddenly robbers attacked these merchants, and also along with the merchants, who was there? Young Otanus, who was 12 years old. He was traveling with these merchants. When they were traveling on the way, robbers attacked these merchants. And also, see, you can see this boy. He is young Otanus. He was 12 years old when he was going along with these merchants. For what purpose? For his studies. His parents sent Otanus for studies in the city. The merchants were not fighting men. See, these merchants were businessmen. They were not rowdies or robbers, because they did not know any quarrel or fighting. The merchants were not fighting men. They could do nothing but give up all their goods and money. See, merchants means they are big businessmen. They were used to carrying money, their valuable things. These merchants were not brave. What they were not ready to fight with robbers. So they were ready to give everything, whatever they had. They were ready to give everything to the robbers. Understood? But tomorrow we'll continue this lesson. What does this boy, young Otanus, how he was brave and how he faced robbers, everything we'll see in the tomorrow class. Understood? Till then, you have to read this lesson. You have to buy the books, come to school and buy the books. Then only you can read this lesson. Who has taken books? This lesson you have to read. First page. Read this lesson, and whatever I told, watch the video and understand the lesson. This is about which lesson we are doing? The boy and the robbers. Who is the boy here? This boy. He is Otanus. His name is Otanus. Understood? These are all merchants. They were traveling to distant places. Tomorrow we'll continue this lesson. Thank you.